welcome to our vlogs. Walk down the beauty aisle in Whole Food and you will see countless natural antiperspirant touting their aluminum-free status. Browse your favorite beauty vlogs and you're likely to find run out of the best aluminum-free deodorants. So, what is the big deal with aluminum in deodorant anyway? We talk to scientists and chemists to get the bottom of the concerns. Here, we will break down why aluminum is in deodorant to begin with and address the potential health concerns associated with aluminum. Before we even get into that, it is important to note the difference between deodorant and antiperspirant. Though we tend to use the word deodorant to refer to anything we swipe on our underarms, that is not actually accurate. Deodorant is simply meant to curb body odor and antiperspirant is meant to curb sweat or perspiration. And when we talk about aluminum, we are only talking about antiperspirant. Antiperspirant contain aluminum salt that help plug your pores so you don't sweat as much. These are over-the-counter drugs that are controlled by the FDA in the United States. Deodorant do not contain aluminum and they do not stop you from sweating. They only reduce body odor by using fragrance or antibacterial compound. The aluminum compound found in antiperspirant not only reduce wetness by blocking your underarm sweat ducts, but they also minimize body odor by inhibiting the bacteria that feed on your sweat and cause it. To make matters even more confusing, many products are combination as in deodorant and antiperspirant. If you want to know whether there is aluminum in your antiperspirant or deodorant, just flip it over and look at ingredient list. The active ingredient at the top could be listed as aluminum chlorohydrate or aluminum zirconium tetrachlorohydrate glycol.
Hello, good day everyone. I am Eza Zoni. The first idea is about aluminium in deodorant and Alzheimer's disease. In year 1960 and 1970, there has been a study that suggests aluminium in deodorant might cause Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer is a degenerative brain disease. According to Kip Fardo, who is the director of the Outreach Program and Scientific for Alzheimer Association says, Alzheimer patients record a high level of aluminium in their brain. The public were concerned because they are exposed to the sources of aluminium. Among the sources are cooking pots, cooking pan, beverage can, antacid and antiperspirants. Researchers collect data from a sample of 130 Alzheimer patients. However, the study was not relevant because it depends on other people to collect data on behalf of the Alzheimer patient. The second idea is about aluminium in deodorant and breast cancer. Breast cancer first developed in the outer upper quadrant of the breast because it is in proximity of the breast. Aluminium applied on the underarm get absorbed by the skin or enter the skin through razor nip. This aluminium then travel to the lymph node of the body. Aluminium is then thought to have plugged the skin from sweating normally. This causes the body will not be able to discrete the aluminium from the body by itself. According to Daniel Rayner, a founder of La Vanilla, a company which offers aluminium-free skincare products, explained that their product will not be harmful to the health of their customer.
Here the fact that there have been studies here and the indicating link between aluminum and certain disease does not mean those links are accepted in the scientific and medical communities. Study in 1990 indicating a causal link between aluminum and eczema was discredited And he said there have been more reliable studies indicating the opposite. Fargo made the same point. Since first study have failed to confirm any rule for aluminium in causing eczema. He said experts today focus on other areas of research and few believe that everyday source of aluminium pose any threat. As for the talk of a potential link to breast cancer, experts including the American Cancer Society cite problems with the study that have bet that condition and the reasoning behind the various claims. The long-standing myth around aluminium in antiperspirant operate under the belief that the aluminium present into the body through your sweat gland. Rubicon, medical director of Northwell Go Health Urgent Care, tells this is failed as skin acts as a barrier to your internal system and bloodstream, keeping the substance from getting through. Additionally, there is no conclusive evidence to suggest a link between breast cancer and aluminium in antiperspirant. For its part, Secret, which sell antiperspirant containing aluminium, point to the many organizations that have denied any definite link between aluminium and cancer of eczema disease. An overview of the intensive research conducted on antiperspirant safety can be found on sweathelp.org, where they are quoted from the likes of the American Cancer Society, the National Cancer Institute, and then breastcancer.org. Susan Bill, a principal scientist at Protect and Gamble, which make a secret, tell all of these organizations report there is no scientific proof of a connection between the aluminium in antiperspirant and any of the respective disease study. The wolves we think or toxin thing. Well, your body does release some toxin when you sweat, but in a fairly negligible amount. The real purpose of sweat is to regulate your body temperature and cool it down as needed. If you have toxin inside, those are filtered out by your liver and kidney and they leave your body when you go to the bathroom.
Right now, the overwhelming scientific and medical opinion is that you don't have anything to worry about. The bottom line, despite all the fear-mongering you heard about aluminium in cosmetic products, is that the best evidence to date shows that there are no significant health concerns. Sheila says, in the terms of Alzheimer's specifically, although Fargo echoed Sheila's earlier statement, he did also note that the Alzheimer Associate position is that we need more research about actually cause of and risk factor for Alzheimer's and others dementia. Ultimately, based on the evidence out there right now, you are probably fine to use antiperspirant contain aluminium, which both Baylor and Sheila notes is the only active ingredient approved by the FDA for use curbing sweat in antiperspirant. But if you want to play it safe, you certainly won't be alone. The moving toward cleaner, safer beauty product is a part of a large shift in consumer awareness in health and wellness that is growing every day. With increasing evidence that certain ingredients in the beauty industry are linked to health complications, customers are demanding better, more natural products, and options that they are developed proprietary or natural technology powered by all-natural beta-glucan to absorb sweat molecule and provide superior odor protection. This allows the skin to breathe and the body to function normally. Of course, there are no lack of natural deodorant available to consume that may not have sweat-stopping ingredients that keep you smell great, but they can do a solid job of keeping body odor at bay. But as you shop, remember, just because a product is or claim to be a natural, but doesn't mean it's automatically safe or effective. Schuler point out that crystal deodorant, a popular natural option, sometimes use alum crystal which contain aluminium. As for effectiveness, deodorant, like all cosmetic products, work differently on different person. So, you may just need to do a bit of trial and error before you find the one that work for you.